Hey everyone, today I have something great for you, something unique. We have talked about this, it is coming soon and it was sooner. I posted on July 4th, it's a couple days ago, that 22k Bitcoin is incoming and exactly as I have predicted. We had two scenarios, either we're gonna go to the downsides or we're gonna go to the upsides, right? But the higher probability was for the upsides and slight correction. Let's see what's happened exactly over here, and we can learn from it. All of that, of course, on my trading view. The dates is marked over here, July 4th, or you can see it upstairs there. All my trades are public, and you can learn from them. But first of all, let's see what's happened exactly as I have predicted, right? To the dot to the dot level, we went to the 23k even. We have outrun my target level partial take profit one, and exactly partial take profit one upstairs was 111k. And look at this, exactly over there is that some correction. So many people think it is not possible to beat the S&P 500 in the less than a week. I have beaten the S&P 500 and I can see it proudly over here. Let's see, it is almost 13% in one trade. It is crazy, but the most crazy thing, I share all of this information for free on my channel, on my trading view, on my LinkedIn, on YouTube. Also, you can check it all out for free. Return on investments 70 to 80% ROI people can catch from my trades with a partial take profit in it, with stop loss in it. Yeah, I don't recommend you to copy my trades. I recommend you to learn, be independent, think consciously, and I teach people how they can do that exactly by themselves, having those returns also. I post all those ideas for free with exact data, how I have analyzed it. And if you want to have dig deeper, you can join the Telegram. It is for free. You can join it and ask me over there question. I will get back to you. And let's watch other trades over here. Okay, Amazon, this was an update. Okay, it's already had a 20% pump. I was like, okay, where is it gonna go? To the upside. Let's say what exactly happened. It's continued to go for the upside. 20% return on investment, more than the S&P 500 by 3 times, almost 30% over here on Amazon trade. All that for free. It was May 28th, 2025, is less than a 2 months over here. 30% return on investment. People, you need to take advantage of this current markets. What's going on over here in the market? You need to take those steps and make money over here. I don't recommend you just jumping straight into trades. I recommend you educating yourself before you trading. This is advanced trades over here, and you need to understand what's going on before you just jump into those trades. I have been long enough in the markets. I have analyzed and backtested hundreds of trades. I have done hundreds of thousands of hours over the market. I think I have over than 7 or 8 thousand hours in front of the charts analyzing the markets in the last over and half a decade. So let's watch the Wi-Fi over here, and I took a long. It did some correction, exactly 20%, but we overall it was already calculated into the trade with the stop loss so wide down because I knew something gonna be cooking over there. When it's coming to trading, you need to anticipate potential reversal areas. Over here, let's also watch then Abercrombie. Exactly. Okay, if you, I'm not sure if you can see it, look at this partial take profit too. Okay, we have entered over here. Okay, exactly to the area of the partial take profit too, and I was like, okay, take the profit over there, and after taking that second take profit, you pull your stop loss to the entry level break even. And look at this, we didn't even touch it, but over 43% return on investment. Again, May, it was May 8th, and this is just crazy with those return on investment. People, I cannot recommend you more enough. Go check my trades, learn from them. You don't need to pay me all of that for free, so you are losing nothing over here. Joe, go and check it out. And ton of those trades and results are posted even on my Telegram over here. Even Steve Madden from Wolf of Wall Street, the shoe company. Okay, 16% ROI. When was this? Again, May the 7th. Okay, more than this, you don't want it. A diversified portfolio and trade. And over here, Palantir, we took a trade on Palantir when the market was dipping, was tariffs and more 66 over here exactly to the there 47% return on investment. And after that, I didn't enter any trade on Palantir. So at this 47% again on May 6, from May 6 over here, I posted it. We had some crazy trades. It was just an update on the May 6th, but actual trade was on the 10th of April, and the update was on the May 6th to just showcase you the results, to give you a quick update what I think about the markets. But when you dig deeper into my profile over here, risk adjusted return, okay, and you go here, filter Palantir, you're gonna find the trade itself also, Fartcoin, some shitcoin even. So I'm multi-asset trader over here. I trade crypto, stocks, and futures. I never saw someone who is trading such a multi-asset, a different time frame from investing, swinging, and even day trading. I prefer swinging because it's much easier to enter those levels. It's less stressful. And don't recommend anyone who is starting new with trading just jumping into day trading. This is gonna be very hard. You're gonna lose money because the game is very difficult. There is people smarter than you, people with more resource, people with more knowledge, people have worked harder than you in the markets, and they will not let the money just slip between their hands, right? And it is not just a free money, it is a skill, a mindset, a multi-talented skill set training. If you want to figure out who you are in the fastest possible way, you should do trading. Look at the Fartcoin, exactly, okay? Partial take profit, okay? I was saying over here, aggressive entry, okay? It's just acknowledging the entries was aggressive. It is more than enough. You understand, okay, this entry is more risky, but if you want to take it, take it. Because 16 ROI at the break even, are we again making the first take profit? At the first take profit saw some reaction. Despite that, we did some nice ROI over here. Let's go to Google over here. I was talking about all those semiconductors companies more. Google, AMD. I think I was talking about AMD also. Let's watch Google, 14%. When was it? April, the 24th of April. All those trades is less than 2 months over here. Or let's watch this. It was the SoundHound AI over here. I think already have pushed it forward. Let's reload it. 30th of July, 14 days ago. Let's check it 14 days ago. Entry exactly was here. And the target was all upstairs to 20. Let's check it. Give me checking. Let's check it. How we can check it over here. Let's play it. We have played it. Entry exactly over here. Yeah, right now I remember again. The entry wasn't on the left side. If we reload the site again, I was talking about this thing over here. This is gonna reverse, okay? I was like, I'm not entering over here. When it comes down exactly over here, I'm gonna enter the level to the dot, okay? And I mentioned this in my parameter here. It says high risky play for quick trades, and you should be very cautious. And the entry level is around $10. So the market was here at $11, the entry level at $10, exactly where our green right angle is starting. So what we're gonna do over here is just jumping in. Okay, quick updates over here, and we are just killing it. Let's play it. Okay, if our entry has done it perfectly, and after that, look at this entry at the perfect level, made 30% ROI, and single stock, 30% return on investment, less than 14 days. Those return on investment is just not easy. Maybe it is right now, it is looking easy for you that I'm making those return on investment, but it's very importantly, it took years to learn those hard skills to manage myself, my psychology, my risk management, my ideas, my entries, the timing, the execution, documenting, testing ton of strategies, testing ton of times, working for years, 12 hours, 7 days to figure out trading and how is it exactly trading is working. I have done the work for you. You just can grab it for free over here. Let's look at Circle. I think this was Circle, the first trade I have done at Circle. Updated over here. I was like, okay, market gonna not go lower. I think I have done it in my Telegram, and I was telling people I will enter right now over here around 150 after I saw the reversal over here, and I just entered it exactly to the dot. Look at this. We have partial take profit or my exit level 95%. I exit always over here, and look at this, it's reversed just perfectly. But the surprising thing is we didn't back up. This was how much return on investment was this alone? Over 95%, people. 95% is just crazy return on investment. Less than month. From June 17th until how much it was till June 23. This is approximately 6 days. In 6 days, 95% return on investment. So if you want to figure out how I come up exactly with those trades, how you can come also up with those trades, and how you can trade an entry level and stop levels and partial take profit such an accurate way, just hit me up, write in comments below if you are YouTube, write in comment if you are LinkedIn, DM me on Telegram because I never will DM you first. DM me on Telegram and tell me more how you have done it. Want to figure out, ask me question, all of that. I'm very happy to help you, and just ask questions over here. Entry level, okay? Second entry level after we have done first rate and Circle. Look at this. I was like, okay, people, I'm gonna be entering over here exactly at my entry level. We have done it. It was 19% ROI, almost front run our first second partial take profit over here. But luckily, we are still running over here. Tau, let's watch Tau again. All the trade, 24th June. Majority of time, I'm not trading anymore this often because I'm just swinging it. And I was like, the market is ready because we watched Bitcoin over here. Market is cooking. The market is cooking something, and we are looking forward to enter those trades. So let's watch Tau. How much return on investment Tau gave us? Look at this, okay? Partial take profit. I cannot recommend, okay? Look at this, partial take profit. I want you to focus on the second. Partial take profit plus 50% of position out. And exactly there, market is returning. More how you are doing it is very simple. I use volume, I use the market sentiment, I use human psychology, basically said, to figure out all those trades, to figure out where the exact entry levels are, to figure out where the institutional money be interesting in. I don't follow the small money. I want to follow the big money, the trillionaires, the billionaires who is moving the markets. I'm just a small fish. I just want to swim with the bigger fish, and I don't want to be caught in the nets. So exactly over there, we have take that second partial take profit, and this was correcting it perfectly, just perfect. It couldn't be better than this. I don't know how to make it even better than this. So over here, when was it? June 23, the generic holding Inc. Okay, June, mark the date, June 23. On the June 23, I have posted this idea, simple, elegant, with a small setup to it, the partial take profits, the keynotes, metrics about this company. Of course, those are partial information. The whole information is gonna be too big for TradingView to comprehend and to understand, and for that reason I just give it a small summary of my analysis over here in TradingView. The bigger analysis, I do it and do the summary for you so you don't need to do the work. And of course, people, if you like it, I put a lot of time and effort to make those ideas, share it with you. All of that for free. It's cost me time, it's cost me money, it's cost me energy. I would love a little bit support from you. Give it like, give it share it with your beloved one to let them know there is possible way to make money in this volatile market. I know a lot of people with CFAs, with degrees, with 10 years in market, they are scared of the market. When they are scared, people, there is opportunity to be made. And you want to take advantage of those markets. When there is scare, when there are fear, when there are greed, extreme fear and greed, this is perfect opportunities for traders to make a lot of money. If there is no greed, no fear, it's just constant, it is time to invest or make swing trades. And those is the perfect opportunity. Millionaires are being made right now. It's just you want to take this opportunity and don't close your eyes. Sometimes it's going to take you time. It's going to take work. It's going to be not easy. You need to put the reps. You need to put the hours, the back testing, your personality. You need to figure out a lot of components of your life to be a profitable trader. It took me a lot of time to understand this. Trading is not only about charting or fundamental or analysis, it's also psychology. It's a ton of risk management. And when it's coming to psychology, there is a ton of psychologists out there who are not traders themselves. They are not profitable, but selling you something. I will never do that because trading, there is two parts to it. One of it, when you are losing money psychology, and when you are winning money psychology, the greed and the fear. Sunk cost effects and ton of biases in trading. It is over 30 biases, 40 biases in trading, human and trading. So yeah, you want to be careful over there. Let's first of all watch the generic. How much money did it made us over here? Can we? Okay, let's see it. 17%. It is less than 3 weeks. Less than 3 weeks. It stayed at 17% return on investment. Of course, those are diversified and over portfolio overall. I have more than 100% ROI on my portfolio right now. And there is the last one, the maple syrup trade over here. I was like, it's gonna go, a meme come either gonna go high or down, or we're gonna kill it. And it was great. We killed it. Let's see. We killed it to the partial take profit, stop loss to the entry level. And no matter what the market gonna do, we're gonna be always in profit. That's how you trade in a professional level. If you have difficulties managing your trade, your psychology, and more, it's just act professional to it. It's very simple. Just act professional to it. How would a professional trader do it? Would be eating chocolate while you're watching the market? Would you be watching a YouTube video, scrolling on Instagram while you are professional trader trading? Not, we don't do that. We focus on the markets. It takes exactly for your brain to consume all the glucose in your brain. It takes exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes. After that, your concentration goes down. Those data, you need to figure it out, okay? And also, additionally, you want to figure out the minimal movement of your eyes. You want to manage your screens. If you have multiple screens, you want to do it in such a way that is you have minimal eye movement. You don't need a lot of eye movement, because all this eye movement is cost you time, energy, and mistakes. The blind areas, right? You don't need 20 screens. You need only one screen, to be honest with you. And the rest of it is about the skill, about your knowledge. The more knowledge you have, the better it is. But at the same time, this is not true in trading. Knowledge means also hard work. You need some luck for sure, but people who have done it, you can learn from them because they already got lucky and figured out the right way. If you like this video, please give it thumbs up, give it a comment, share it with a friend, share some love, all of that for free. Enjoy it, everyone. And I wish you a great week on Monday in entering the markets with a lot of money, and wish you the best for the future. See you soon.